How to download and install EAFC. It means Electronic Art Football Club. How you can install this game on your PC. So the first step is open Steam in front of you. If you have application, that is good. If you don't have it, open it on your browser. On the official Steam application, right top of the screen is the search bar. Search for Electronic Sport or EA Sports FC in front of you. That is the newest version for 2024. You can read all the things about this game. You can see the animation or graphics. Here you can add to cart any of the option. If you want to download it, you have to pay some charges because this game is not free for all of you, so you have to pay for it. Whenever you will complete your payment, there will be an option to download this on your PC. From that, you will be able to download and enjoy it on your PC without any problem. Please subscribe to our channel for watching such videos like this.